April 4th, 2025, a day that sent shockwaves through global financial markets. U.S. stocks faced a historic downturn today. The S&P 500 plummeted 6%, closing at 5,074.08. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 5.5%, shedding over 2,200 points to settle at 38,314.86. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite declined 5.8%, ending at 15,587.79. But what triggered this sudden collapse? Earlier this week, President Donald Trump imposed sweeping tariffs on U.S. trading partners, aiming to bolster domestic industries. However, these actions ignited fears of a looming recession. Experts like Mohamed El-Arian warn that prolonged trade tensions could lead to 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth, potentially ushering in stagflation, a toxic mix of stagnant economic output and rising inflation. China responded aggressively, announcing a 34% tariff on all U.S. imports. This retaliation exacerbated market fears, overshadowing even the positive March jobs report, which had indicated the addition of 228,000 jobs. Critics argue that these tariffs may increase consumer prices, dampen demand, and squeeze corporate profits, posing threats to broader economic stability. Despite the turmoil, President Trump remains defiant, asserting that the markets will rebound and urging confidence in his approach. Certain sectors bore the brunt of today's sell-off, particularly technology and manufacturing, which are highly sensitive to trade policies. Yet, amid the chaos, some investors see potential opportunities. Financial advisors suggest that market corrections can present chances to acquire strong assets at reduced prices. Looking ahead, several key events could influence market movements next week. Investors should monitor the Producer Price Index release on April 11th and the Consumer Sentiment Report on April 11th for further insights into economic trends. Markets rise and fall, but informed investors stay ahead of the curve. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for real-time updates and deep dives like this. Drop a comment below. What's your take on today's crash? Opportunity or omen? Let's talk about it. Stay sharp, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next market update.